Hi everyone, I'm going to show you a quick video for how to graph ordered pairs on a coordinate grid. Here what you're seeing on your screen is the coordinate grid. Along the bottom you have the x-axis. Notice all of the lines are numbered in order, not the spaces, it's the lines that are numbered. And going up this way we have the y-axis, and notice again the lines are numbered. Now over on this side we have some points, and we're going to plot those points is what we call it. And for point A, it's located at 6, 3. And what that means is 6 is along the x-axis and the 3 is along the y. What I like to say to remember is the over and up. We have to go over before we go up. So I think of it like an elevator. You have to walk over 6 spaces to get to the elevator, and then you can go up 3 floors. So to plot the point, I'm going to take one of these red dots. Maybe, there we go. And we're going to go over 6 spots to the elevator, and then the elevator takes us up 3 floors. So point A would be right here, over 6, up 3. Now to plot point B, notice it's the same numbers. Some people think it would be in the same spot, but it's not, because you always go over first before you can go up. So I'll take another little dot. This time we're going over 3 and up 6. That's where point B would be located. Now for point C, it's over 2, so 2 on the x-axis, and 7 on the y, over 2, up 7. You have to go over before you go up. So you start where the 0 would be, go over 2, up 7, and plot that point. Notice the point is always going to be located at where the lines intersect, kind of like right over the corners. Now point D would be over 8, up 6. So let me get another point. I'm going to go over 8 first. You have to go over before the elevator can take you up 6 floors. Now that seems easy enough and should be a review from previous years. What will get a little bit harder is when there are some other directions thrown at you. So start at A, which was over 6, up 3 right here, and go over 2 and up 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And bam, it took us to one of the other spots. What are the coordinates for this dot? Well, we would read them the same way that they're written. You have to go over first. So our coordinates for this dot are over 8, up 6. So it would be 8, 6. Now let's start at point B and try again. Where's B? It was over 3, up 6. So here's point B. And it tells us to go over 1 and up 3. See the directions here that I'm reading? Go over 1 and up 3. So let's see, over 1, up 1, 2, 3. So we want one right here at coordinates 4, 9. So we would plot a new point at 4, 9. Okay, if you remember to go over and then up, you'll be able to find the points, you'll be able to plot the points. Sometimes there will be questions that ask for the midpoint between 2. So let's say we have a point here and a point here, and we want to find what point would be exactly halfway in between. So if we went 1, 2, 3 spots over, we would be exactly 1, 2, 3 spots away. So right here would be right smack in the middle. Let's put a dot there. So if the question were asking what the coordinates are for halfway between over 2, up 7 and over 8, up 7, it would be over 5, up 7. So there are different questions that you might see being asked, and we will practice those in our activity. That's basically it.